Take a look at all this butter and sugar. It's no surprise that Robert VELA's motto is don't trust a skinny chef. But you might consider it a surprise that this small-town restaurant is holding its own in the middle of a pandemic.
We thought for sure when the announcement came and that we were done. Our life dream, our retirement that we poured into this was all done, and this town said not today.
Like all other restaurants, Nola's only offers curb service, but it seems nonstop. This is Cynthiana in Harrison County, Kentucky. Population 6,300. COVID-19 didn't strike first in a major city in the state. Instead, it hit here. Becky Barnes is editor of the Cynthiana Democrat and has worked here 44 years.
I've always felt like we were a compassionate community, and this has just brought all that home to me.
With help from local government and county health leaders, the Democrat did what small newspapers do best: get important information out quickly to every single person in the county. No names are being released, but residents are rallying around the handful of people who are struggling with the virus.
People know, in a small community, people know who they are.
Things like this can have one of two effects. It can pull you apart or it can pull you together.
James Smith and his two partners refurbished and reopened the downtown Rose Opera House a dozen years ago. Smith is also the Cynthiana mayor. The theater pops popcorn on some nights. Rose is closed for films and plays, but residents can drive by and pick up a movie staple to enjoy at home. Smith's goal is to lead by example.
We can show the rest of the nation how to handle something like this that has the potential to tear you apart, but really has the opposite effect on it, pulls you together.
This is the main retail drag in Cynthiana, Kentucky. All these shops are open. Usually this time of day, shop owners say there'd be lots of foot traffic, people going in and out of the various stores. But COVID-19 has changed all of that. And the big question is, how will Cynthiana and the rest of small-town America weather the economic fallout from this ongoing pandemic?
It's scary because, you know, things have slowed down some.
4 years ago, Stacy Eckler opened her boutique in Cynthiana. Right now, like most others here, she is fighting through one day at a time.
You do worry about whether or not you're going to be able to keep your doors open.
A lot of the small shops, it's their dream, and they don't have 6 months of reserve cash to get them through.
As long as they push through it, we'll, on the other end, we'll grab their hands and pull them on.
And for the time being, that is a lot more than other towns and cities have right now. Sean Callebs, CGTN, Cynthiana, Kentucky.